One of the important aspect of life is to earn money. So there's no harm if you are searching on how to make money, and with the ever increasing importance of digital world, now people are searching on how to make money online. And I have created a video on how to make money online for beginners. This is a new version of that video, because in this video I will be telling you different ways on how to make money online as a beginner but without any investment. So ideally this video is very good if you are a beginner, or if you do not have any money, or if you do not want to spend money while to make money. So just keep on following this video, because there's a famous proverb, like, if you have to make money you have to spend money. So this video is going to be completely disagree with it, because you do not need to have money to make money. In this video I will be discussing with you some of the finest ways through which you can make money online without any investment or without even paying anything. So let's get started with me on this thing. So there are few ways which are very good. So let's get started with the first way. So the first way is blogging. You can create your free blog on wordpress.com. All you have to do is your Google and just search on free blog on WordPress. I also have a blog with the name of ALIRAZAMARKETIng, but here you can, the process is very easy. All you have to do is create your free website. You can go over here and start your own blog. So it's completely free to create your own blog on wordpress.com. You just need to have your email address, username, password, and you can get a free account and get started with it. So the question is how much I can earn. So before that, the question is how I can earn. So if you are a beginner, you have limited opportunities, but there are few very common opportunities. Number one is Google AdSense. You can place Google AdSense ads on your website and earn money through it. The second is affiliate marketing. You can place someone products ads on your website and you will be paid when they buy through your link. And the third is you can sell your own ebooks. If people like your free content, chances are they will like your paid content as well. So if you are able to create a free able to create a good community through your blog, you can easily sell your ebooks to them. You can also easily sell your personal coaching or consultation. So these are the few ways which you can earn through blogging without any investment or without paying anything. The third is vlogging. You can create your own free channel on YouTube. I have a free channel on YouTube. You are watching this video on a YouTube channel, and it doesn't cost even a single penny to create your own channel on YouTube. The process is very easy. All you have to do is you have to go on YouTube. I already have a channel, so my channel will be shown here. So let's say Ignito mode. I am opening YouTube, and all I have to do is I have to sign in, and the procedure will be started of just like creating your email account. You can create your YouTube account through it. And how you can earn money as a beginner or without paying anything on YouTube. You can earn through YouTube ads by Google AdSense. You can do affiliate marketing like I told you in the blogging. You can also sell your ebooks. You can also sell personal coaching or consultation, or you can even do seminars, do paid workshops, or you can even do partnerships or collaborations with other people. So you can promote their product, or you can do shootouts for them and earn money through it. And the next way is to become a virtual assistant, because there has been an over 90% increase in demand for virtual assistant in the last 2 years due to huge demand in new startups, new businesses coming on. So the demand is huge, but the drawback of this is too much competition, and because you do not have any particular skill and you want to do any skill, so like the famous quote, jack of all master of none, I do not suggest becoming a VA. But if you do not have anything, you can be a VA and earn through it. So again, it doesn't cost any penny to be a VA, and you can learn a lot of things by becoming a VA. There is no harm in becoming a VA if you are willing to learn and improve yourself over the time. The next strategy is make money through social media management services. Now social media is getting very popular because more and more brands are coming on social media. Every brand is trying to have their online presence. If you just you search for your favorite restaurant, you search for your favorite bank, you search for anything, and you are going to see the social media presence. So you can do the social media management for these companies. And how you can do it? You can just learn through YouTube is free. Every video is free, and even have a tutorial on Google Ads. I will be planning to create social media vlogs as well, but in case if anyone wants to learn, there is so much information available on YouTube that it is not difficult for anyone to learn through YouTube. And you can sell on Facebook groups, you can sell on LinkedIn, you can sell on freelancing sites, or if you have a personal connection with someone. Recently I got a client because I had a personal connection with that client, because if the client knows me that I'm in digital marketing services, and that is how I got the client straightforward. So you can get through personal connections as well. All you need to be is you need to be good at networking. And another method through which you can earn is through by becoming Instagram influencer. Ideally it is for ladies, because majority of the Instagram influencers I've seen are females. So this is exclusively for females, but it doesn't mean men can't do it. Men can do everything. So it's also for men as well. I know females can do everything as well. I understand. I'm not going to argue here with this. So Instagram is not a small community. It's a community of more than 700 million people. Back in 2017, now it's 2022 onwards. So the market is huge. Almost everyone is on Instagram. So you can be an Instagram influencer, get some following, get some audience, and then you can start selling sponsorships, partnerships, doing partnerships and make money through it. And you will get even free product samples to review from different companies. All you need to be is you need to be just an Instagram influencer. Again, it doesn't cost anything to become an Instagram influencer, and it's completely free. My next strategy is to become a tester and reviewer to generate extra money online without any investment. There are some many companies available who are looking to get their new products tested, or they hire those companies to get their products tested and get some initial feedback on user experience on them. So you can earn through them. So there are four famous websites I'm suggesting you. Number one is user testing, where you are being paid $10 for every 10 to 15 minute test completed. Second is what users do. You are going to be paid $8 for around 15 to 20 minute test. And user test, the user testing and user test both are different, and in user test you are going to be paid around $10.5 for each study. So it's another great method through which you can earn money online without any investment. My next method is paid to click websites. Again, paid to click website doesn't cost anything. There are sites, companies who are willing to pay you for your visit on their website, and you can make money through it. So I'm telling you three famous websites. Number one is BTC Clicks. Number second is Ad BTC. Number three is Family BTC. You can earn money through these click based websites, where you will be paid for every click you are doing to an external website and checking out that website. But you need to I need to be cautious with you, that you need to keep in mind that not every BTC site keep up their promise of paying you. So always do check out their reviews and do your research before joining any site. So do it at your own risk. And the next strategy is doing small tasks and micro jobs. Again, it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is you need to learn small skills, and they are available on YouTube as well. Like, I need to convert my video from .mp3 to mp4 video to audio only, or I need to add video audio, or I need to make audio louder, or a few days ago I created a video and it had some noise in it. So I need to hire someone to remove that extra noise in the video. So even that is a job, and it saved my time. Like, I hired someone, I paid him few bucks, and my time was, I was able to save my time, and he earned money through it. So if you are able to do some good micro tasks, you can earn money through that as well. Organizing a file sheet, dictating something, doing translation services, image size reducing, converting video extensions, or doing anything, the small things, they can earn huge money. So this is another way. And the question is how you can get clients. So freelancing, Fiverr, or Facebook groups. I personally know there are few ways through which you can get clients for them. My next is, you can earn money online without paying anything, without any investment, and that is through Captcha solvers. Ever thought that you are going to be paid for Captcha solvers? So yes, you can be paid for doing Captcha solvers. And there are three famous companies which I recommend: Mega Typers, Pro Typers, Fast Typers. Do at your own risk. I'm suggesting these, but do check out the reviews first before opting for them. And the companies typically pay you around $3 to $5 for every 1,000 captchas you solve. So captchas are, you have seen, like, there are captchas you need to enter for confirm. These are the confirmation codes. So this is another way. So let me tell you that no one can take your hand and climb you the stairs, unlike your parents, because I believe the parents can help you a lot, but apart from your parents, no one else is going to climb you the stairs. So it's you who is going to work. So think out of the box. I just suggested few ways through which you can make money online as a beginner without any investment, or you can make money online without any investment, without paying anything. But if you just follow the method I suggested you, you won't be able to go anywhere. You need to think out of the box. You need to keep on thinking about new ideas, new ways, and that is how you will be able to get a formula to earn long-term income basis. So keep on doing twist, and you never know, you can be a millionaire or a billionaire. So I hope you like my video, because in this video I discuss some of the ways through which you can make money online without paying anything or without investment. Especially this video is created for beginners. So I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.